first 2 attempts, I was trying to roll it from closer to the ground, so it wasn't really rolling. So now I'm gonna give it a good shove with the tractor, and got a bunch of junk in it, so it should rattle pretty good when it's rolling. There's the 8040 ST, an 8040 down there, and then I'm going to hand hold the 416 and kind of follow it down the hill if I can with my right hand, and then my left hand I'm going to use the lever to roll the bucket forward. So hopefully this is going to work and give me some good metal rolling sounds that can be used for just about any kind of object that's metal rolling down a hill. So let's keep my fingers crossed.